This is the bullet ant. Its sting is considered the most painful in the world. Victims say the pain feels like being shot by a bullet, and it can last for 24 hours. It carries deadly diseases like malaria and dengue. More humans die from mosquitoes than any other creature on Earth. Fapu Brazilian wandering spider on the forest floor roams the Brazilian wandering spider, highly venomous, fast, aggressive. Its bite can cause paralysis and even death if untreated. The botfly. The botfly does not bite. It does something worse. It lays eggs on human skin, and the larvae grow inside the body. Thaken killer bees, a disturbed hive of Africanized killer bees, can trace a target for hundreds of meters, attacking in a swarm, stinging over and over again. And giant centipede. The giant Amazon centipede hunts at night, injecting venom into frogs, birds, and even small mammals. Its bite causes intense, burning pain and swelling.